Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Mollars token. Now the Mollars token is in the midst of their pre-sale right now. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second, but before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt and always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So, you can find their webpage at mollars.com. Over there, you can connect your wallet, and right now they're in the midst of their pre-sale. So, they show you how many tokens they've sold already. They show you how much USD they've raised so far. So the pre-sale is live, and it goes all the way basically until May 24th, it says, or until they reach their hard cap. They've sold 20,258 tokens, and there's still there's a 4 million token total. So they're trying to reach 4 million. So they're not even really close yet. Now, you can buy this token here with a card, or you can connect your wallet and buy it with Ethereum or USDT. So there's all sorts of different ways to get the token. They have all sorts of different socials. They have a Telegram, a Twitter. As usual, I'm going to put their Twitter up in the corner of the screen over there. Reddit, TikTok, Discord, Instagram. Now, they have the contract address on here. They have their Etherscan. This token is on the Ethereum blockchain. And if you want to learn more information, they have a full white paper. They even have a chat box if you need help. And they even have a how to buy section in case you don't know how to connect your wallet and do all that stuff there. So the Mollars ecosystem emerges as a beacon of change where the boundaries between gaming, economics, and community blur to create a decentralized universe governed by its participants. Mollars is not just a game or a token. It's a pathway to autonomy, prosperity, and communal evolution. So their light paper outlines the core principles of tokenomics behind Mollars, emphasizes true decentralization, a merit-based economy, an unbreakable community bond. Survive and Thrive, the flagship game, invites players to chart their course in uncharted territories where every action contributes to a universe rich in meaning and material wealth. With a deliberate founder exit post-launch, Mollars ensures sustainability and longevity with professional management and community empowerment at the forefront. So, in the vast digital expansive universe, we welcome the Mollars ecosystem where the world of gaming, economics, and communities intersect, creating a decentralized cosmos ruled by its inhabitants. Here, it's not just a game or a token, a revolutionary pathway to autonomy, prosperity, and community-driven evolution. So the problem statement is available on here, but we're going to just skip that to the solution. So, the Mollars ecosystem emerges as a transformative solution that transcends the conventional boundaries of gaming, economics, and community. Mollars is not just a token. It represents a fundamental shift towards autonomy, prosperity, communal evolution. So they go over basically true decentralization, merit-based economy, and unbreakable community bonds. Now, their core principles are outlined on here. So it says, at the heart of the Mollars project, there's going to be true decision-making power from the community, basically a decentralized autonomous organization. So at launch, they say liquidity will be burned, contract is renounced. Now, there's going to be post-launch community empowerment, After that, the DAO will go live, all that type of stuff here. There'll be community decision-making, transparent voting system. The Mollars ecosystem is powered by the unique tokenomics model designed to facilitate a true vision of decentralization. There is a total supply here of 10 million tokens. This finite but seemingly infinite number symbolizes the project's potential for growth and development. And there is going to be a 3% transaction tax. So basically, if this does go live later on decentralized exchanges, you'll have to probably set your slippage around 3%. Now, Ethereum tokens usually go to Uniswap, so there'll probably be some gas fees and 3% slippage around there, maybe 4% on Uniswap. There's going to be nurturing development, rewarding ecosystem. 1% of the taxes will be burned. Now, within the ecosystem, they have the game that's going to be called Survive and Thrive. It's going to be unpredictable and captivating, challenging, rewarding. It's open-ended nature. You are not bound to predefined paths or linear objects. Instead, you have the freedom to shape your own destiny in this game. You could build alliances, share experiences, create stories. Now, you can learn all about the whole game and everything like that. There is tutorials on how to buy the token, how to set up your MetaMask wallet, how to set up a trust wallet. All that can be found on their white paper. You can just skip over to docs.mollars.com if you want to go right to the white paper. They talk about the fundraising round, sustainability and longevity. On their webpage, you can just click on roadmap. It'll take you to the roadmap here. So phase 1 is going to be the groundwork phase, establishing a solid community, auditing the smart contract. Then we're going to have dynamic community engagement on Telegram, Discord, Instagram, Twitter. And then we have the takeoff phase, which is going to be the token rollout, collaborative expansion, token circulation, exchange escalation, listing on decentralized exchanges, then centralized exchanges, $1 billion market cap goal, then the establishment of the gaming genesis, game inception, and then we're going to have leadership transfer, so basically to the DAO initiative. So how the tokens split up, we got 20% going to ecosystem funds and central exchanges, 20% community rewards, 56% groundwork, and 4% reserve. Join their communities on all of their socials. Those are linked on their webpage there. Check out the Twitter. Now, I am not a financial advisor, so why don't you guys let me know in the comment section down there. What do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And leave a comment down there. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.